today we are going to discuss about the Informatica IDQ, Informatica Data Quality. Okay, let me open my slide. Okay, welcome to my Malakari Tech YouTube channel. Now we are going to discuss about the Informatica Data Quality. So Informatica Data Quality tool is nothing but so what is data quality? So data quality is in the sense it's a high availability of data for business reporting purpose. So normally the IDQ is used to do the cleansing, standardizing a data in the integrated power center. So the main purpose of the Informatica data quality is cleansing and standardize the data. In the what is meant by data quality? Let me tell you what is my data quality. So data quality is it's a measuring of data with respect to different dimension. Uh, for example, if you say completeness, conformity, constancy, accuracy, duplicate, and address validator. Normally, the IDQ capabilities are data profiling, data cleansing, data parsing, data standardization, address validation, and enrichment, match and merge transformation. Match and merge, address validation, all the transformation is available in the uh, Informatica BDO IDQ tools. Normally, what we'll do is capabilities of do is if it is my data profiling, the data profiling in the sense is understanding of source data with respect to different dimension. Uh, if it is mean completeness mean the completeness is a measure which tells all the key column should be populated with any value, but there should not be the any null value. For example, if you have the customer ID 001002003, if there is any null value it is come, it should not populated. So that is the completeness. If it is come the conformity, conformity it's like it check the difference pattern. For example, the name Sai, the pattern is converted into the wherever the letters are there, it will be converting into XXX. If it is for example, it is like Ahmed 033, it came wherever the letter is come, it will be automatically converted into XXX. Wherever the digits come, it will be converted into 999. For example, if I let my Ahmed, I mean, so it will be converted into the X of 4, 033, so 9 of 3. It will be converting like that. Constancy, like the constancy is a checking for representation of name, country, city, etc. For example, we can say in the standardization data standardization format. For like if it is some people who are coming from India, they used to check enter IND, INDA, INDS, INDS. So wherever the format is come, it will make into the single format. Whoever come into the IND, IN, automatically it has been converted into India. If it is the accuracy means the check the data accuracy in the all the key fields. It remove the special characters. We use this asterisk, comma, like that. If it is a duplicate, it will be identify the potential duplicate and populating into the unique record. So, and one more thing is address validation. The address validation is verify it will be enriching the address. For example, if the courier companies used to send the promotion to the customer, uh, there are the few customer given the wrong information. So using the address validity, we will find out the exact address.